Today I'm going to show you how to remove or add a header in Google Sites. Whether you're refreshing an existing page or starting from scratch, managing your site's header is an essential skill that can make your web page stand out. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have access to the site you want to modify. To remove the current header, scroll to the top of your page and locate the header area. On the left-hand side, you'll see a small delete icon that looks like a trash can. Clicking it will remove the header. Keep in mind that this will also remove any images or text in that section, so make sure you've saved anything important before proceeding. If you want to add a header, or replace the one you just removed, hover your cursor over the top area of your page. A prompt will appear giving you the option to add header. Click it to create a new header space where you can customize text, images, and layout to match your site's theme and design preferences. Google Sites provides various header layout options, including banner sizes, focal point adjustments, and full cover designs. Experiment with these settings until your header looks exactly the way you want. Before finishing, preview your site to check how it appears across desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Once satisfied, click Publish at the top right corner to update your live site. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to remove or add a header in Google Sites, giving your pages a professional and polished look. Thanks for watching.